Hey, what's up, everyone? Just wanted to say shout out to Crypto Cash Flow, Josh and Marty. See, I got my gala hat on here, always repping. Man, these guys are always giving back, always helping tons of people with the knowledge they have. It's crazy. The amount of information they have on cryptocurrency and the way they're always staying in tune with what's going on, knowing the latest moves, latest trends, and then giving back to everyone. That's the biggest part, is giving back and sharing that knowledge, so you can jump on projects early with them, get on board early. I know when I was first starting, I hardly knew anything about crypto, and they told me what they were doing, and I ended up moving early on a couple of those projects as well, Gala included. Got me some NFTs from that, that pretty much make me passive income daily. So it's great to be a part of that. They let me know early on some nodes also that dropped, and a couple of other things. But as far as, learning and knowing what's happening in the crypto market, those are the guys you want to be following. So I would say, Crypto Cash Flow, it's amazing, and definitely you want to be a part of that.